Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to update the YouTube TV app. We'll cover different devices like smart TVs, phones, and streaming devices to make sure you're always enjoying the latest features and improvements. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Okay, let's get started. First up, let's look at updating YouTube TV on your smart TV. Updating YouTube TV on smart TVs *. The process can vary a little depending on your TV brand, but generally, you want to head to your App Store. This might be called the Google Play Store on Android TVs, the LG Content Store on LG TVs, or the Samsung App Store on Samsung TVs. *for Android TVs, Sony, Hisense, etc. Navigate to the Google Play Store. Search for YouTube TV. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap it. If there's no update button, it means your app is already up to date. For LG TVs press the home button on your remote. Select the LG Content Store. Search for YouTube TV. If there's an update, it will say Update next to the app. Select it to update. For Samsung TVs press the home button on your remote. Go to Apps. Select the settings icon, usually a gear. Look for updates or auto update. If auto update is on, your apps should update automatically. If not, you can manually check for updates and select YouTube TV to update it. Updating YouTube TV on mobile devices, iOS and Android. For iOS, iPhone, iPad. Open the App Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to see pending updates and release notes. Find YouTube TV and tap Update next to it. Or tap Update All to update all apps at once. For Android phones and tablets open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Tap Updates Available. Find YouTube TV in the list and tap Update. Or tap Update All to update all apps at once. Updating YouTube TV on streaming devices, Roku, Chromecast with Google TV, Amazon Fire TV. For Roku Roku typically updates apps automatically. However, you can manually check for updates. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Highlight the YouTube TV channel. Press the star button on your remote. Select Check for updates. For Chromecast with Google TV from the home screen, select your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage Apps. If there's an update available for YouTube TV, it will say Update. Select it to update. You can also enable auto updates in the Google Play Store settings. For Amazon Fire TV Go to Apps on your home screen. Select Store. Tap the menu button, 3 horizontal lines. Select App Updates. Find YouTube TV and select Update if available. Troubleshooting *. If you're having trouble updating the app, try these quick fixes. Restart your device *. This often resolves minor glitches. Check your internet connection *. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Clear the app cache. Android only go to Settings, Apps YouTube TV Storage, Clear Cache. And that's it. Updating your YouTube TV app is usually straightforward, and it ensures you get the best possible viewing experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Rome Tips. And we'll see you in the next one.